What's the meaning of carrycot? Carrycot. Carrycot.
Carrycot. Carrycot. A carrycot is a type of baby carrier designed for infants to lie down in. It is typically used as a component of a larger baby stroller or pram system. The carrycot provides a safe and comfortable place for the newborn to sleep while out and about, and can easily be detached from the stroller frame for carrying. Some models even include handles for use as a portable bassinet at home. Overall, a carrycot is an essential piece of gear for new parents who want to keep their babies close and safe during outings.